For instance, I realize I came across as unprepared and I want to apologize. 2. Show accountability. Take responsibility for your actions and express a commitment to improve. 3. Focus on consistency. Demonstrate reliability and authenticity over time. Trust is rebuilt through repeated positive interactions. 4. Communicate openly. Be transparent and open to feedback, showing that you value the other person's perspective. 4. Real-life application. Imagine arriving late to an important meeting. While the first impression may falter, acknowledging your tardiness, apologizing sincerely, and ensuring punctuality in future interactions demonstrates accountability and a commitment to improvement. Reflection. Exercise. Take a moment to reflect. I think, how do I currently manage first impressions and handle mistakes? I feel, how could improving these skills enhance my relationships and opportunities? I will do. What's one step I'll take this week to strengthen my first impression or rebuild trust? 5. Tips for long-term success. Prepare ahead. Plan your appearance and arrival to minimize first impression mistakes. Be consistent. Maintain your efforts to align with the image you want to project. Stay open-minded. View trust building as a continuous process, not a one-time effort. Closing thought. Here's a quote to inspire you. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. Will Rogers. By managing first impressions and rebuilding trust when needed, you can foster stronger connections and ensure your actions align with the person you aspire to be.